As more shipments of the coronavirus vaccine make its way to the desert Southwest, drive-through vaccination steps will be popping up all over in a few days. 13 on your side's Cody Lee is live in the newsroom with complete coverage of where we are in vaccinating locals. Cody.
Hey, good evening, April. I wanted to start off by taking a look at this. As of Friday, over 260,000 doses administered in the state of Arizona and in Yuma and Imperial counties. We have new details on when the next allotments will arrive. Mayor Doug Nichols releasing a statement Friday revealing that Yuma County will receive 6,900 vaccines this Tuesday, and booking of appointments will begin the same day. Senator Mark Kelly speaking with the Yuma mayor this past week.
I was on the phone with the mayor the other day and Yuma County officials about COVID-19. That number needs to go up if we're going to effectively get to, herd immunity in a reasonable amount of time. So I've already spoken to my Republican and Democrat colleagues about this.
This is only for Tier 1A, as well as teachers, law enforcement, and people over 65. Yesterday, Yuma Regional Medical Center announced plans to set up a mass vaccination site when the vaccines are distributed. The hospital's chief medical officer telling me the site will impact the community tremendously.
We want to make a sincere attempt to really put a dent in the pandemic. Some final details to run by, but we're going to use Civic Center. We definitely know we're going to need at least for 1 or 2 months. We're going to try to staff it for enough vaccinations per day to, again, as I said, having a real meaningful impact in the number of positive cases in the community.
Over in Imperial County, both Pioneers Memorial Health and El Centro Regional Medical Center will hold drive-through clinics on Monday. This will be for people 65 and over. Both locations will be first-come, first-served basis. ECRMC has 600 doses, and 300 doses are over at Pioneers. President-elect Joe Biden outlining his plan to administer the vaccine to more Americans as soon as he takes office.
We're going to make sure there are vaccination centers in communities hit hardest by the pandemic, in Black and Latino communities and rural communities as well. Within the first month of our administration, we're going to deploy mobile clinics, moving from community to community, that will partner with community health centers and local primary care doctors.
And April, I wanted to point this out as well. About 12 million vaccines have 12 million people have received the first dose of the vaccine in the United States, but that's far from the 31 million distributed to the states. About 19 million vaccines just sitting, so we will definitely be paying attention to the new presidential administration and what they have to do to get this done. Reporting in the newsroom, I'm Cody Lee, 13 on your side.
Well, thank you for that information, Cody.